welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Bliss. My name is Aishwarya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you what products I have received in this PR box given by the brand Sugar Pop. So the Sugar Pop is a newly emerged brand and the parent company is Sugar Cosmetics. The main purpose of Sugar Pop is to provide affordable range of products from sugar, and yes, let's see what I have received in this PR box, and without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So guys, let me show you the size of the box, and this is the box that I've received from Sugar Pop, and here are the all products in this box, and I'm going to show you one by one like what I've got from this brand. So first thing that I want to show you is this nail pens. These are the nail pens which I've got from Sugar Pop, and I'll let you know the shades. This one is 01 Spring Bloom. It is a quite pastel pink nude color combination of different type of shades, and this one is Blue for You, 06 Blue for You, and it is a pastel blue kind of shade, and I'll show you how it looks on my nail. This is how the blue color looks. This is how the 01 shade looks, that is a pink color, and this is the only one coat of the nail pen on my nails, but I really like it dries quickly. Like whenever I purchase any nail pen, I always look towards how quickly it dries, and some nail pens are like that. When even after drying quickly, they feel sticky on your nail, but this is not sticky at all. It dries quickly and does not feel sticky at all, and this is just one coat, that's why it is not looking good in the video, but afterwards I'll fix it. So let's move on to another product. Next I've got is this vitamin C anti-tree moisturizer, and it says it brightens, oil control and intensely hydrates your skin, and let's see how it looks from inside. I really like the design of this box, and also the tube design of the product, which is really bright and pretty. I'll show you the swatch of the product. So this is in a gel form, and the fragrance of this product is really refreshing, I must say, and I'll just show you how it looks after blending. So yes, it absorbs into my skin quickly, and it smells amazing. The fragrance of this product is amazing. I really love it, and also the consistency looks fine to me for now at least. Now let's see what I've got next. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention the price of the product. So the price of this moisturizer is 199 rupees, and the prices of this two single nail pen is 129 rupees each. So I feel it's pretty reasonable right now to get a quick drying nail pen at 129 rupees and moisturizer for 199 rupees. Next I've got this lip balm, Nourishing lip balm in variant 01 mint. So let's see how it looks from inside, and it is enriched with avocado oil. Yes. So it has mentioned over here, it will soften, condition, moisturize and provide intense care to your lips, and this is how it comes in a cute pink color packaging, and this is how the lip balm looks from inside. I must say the fragrance of the product is so really good. As the name of this lip balm is mint, so it has a nice mint fragrance, so definitely when you will apply it to your lips, it will provide a quick instant refreshment at the same time. So the cost of this lip balm is 149 rupees. So for lips, I have got 3 lipsticks from this brand, and all of these lipsticks are different. Like this is matte mousse, this one is satin matte lipstick, and other one is matte lipstick. So I'll just open this lipstick one by one and I'll show you how it looks. All of these 3 lipsticks cost for 299 rupees. So first I'm going to show you this matte lipstick. The shade is 02 Candy, and this is how the pink packaging looks, I really love the color of this packaging, this baby pink color. It looks really nice and pretty. And this is how the shade of the lipstick is. It is a pink lipstick, fluorescent. I think it is kind of fluorescent pink. Let me swatch it for you so that we can get more idea of the shade. So this is how the lipstick looks. Yes, it's a bit fluorescent kind of pink shade. I'm not sure whether this lipstick will look good on my skin tone or not. Let's see in the future videos whether I'll be using this lipstick or not. So through that you'll come to know if I'm liking the shade of this lipstick on my skin tone or not. So this is the next lipstick. This is satin matte lipstick and the shade is 04 Orchid. And I'm going to open this as well. Okay, so this has some unique packaging. So the matte one is having different packaging and this one is having a different kind of packaging. And let me swatch this for you guys. So this is how this lipstick looks. So the formula of this lipstick is satin matte. It won't be like extreme matte lipstick. It will have a nice comfortable texture when you'll apply to your lips. So lastly we have this matte mousse 04 red velvet lipstick. So I think this is a liquid lipstick, that's why it's in this kind of packaging. So I'll open this lipstick and show the shade to you guys. Okay, so packaging is so difficult. They have provided really good packaging so that your product won't get any damage. But there is one thing that happened when I received this box, and I'm going to show you what happened actually. So this is how this lipstick looks, and I'm going to swatch you the shade. Okay, so this is how the shade looks. So that was all for the lipstick section. Now let's move on what I've got for eye makeup. So for eye makeup I have received these two products. One is matte eyeliner and other one is mascara, and the shade of this both product is 01 black. And let's see how much this eyeliner costs for. It costs for 219 rupees. So when we look at the pricing of these products, we are going to compare with the cost that you have to spend for Sugar Cosmetics, for purchasing product from Sugar Cosmetics. So according to that, the cost and the price range is low when it comes to Sugar Pop. And the cost of this mascara is 299 rupees. Whereas if you're going to buy mascara from Sugar Cosmetics, it might cost you around 500 or something like that. So I'll just show you how this product looks from inside. So this is how the mascara looks. I'll show you the wand of the mascara, and this is how it looks. I haven't used this product yet. As you can see, I'm just opening the packaging in front of you guys. If you want a video in which I'm using this product and you want me to do full face using Sugar Pop products, then do let me know in comment section below so that I will create a video for that. So now let's see how the eyeliner looks. So this is how the packaging of the eyeliner looks, and this is the wand of eyeliner. I'll just swatch this eyeliner for you guys. Wow, I really like the intensity of this eyeliner. Even I will swatch this mascara for you. So this is how the mascara looks. Pretty decent. Finally, we are on the last product that I've got from this brand is this blush, and the shade of this blush is 01 Rose, and the name of the blush is Ultra HD Blush from Sugar Pop, and it costs around 249 rupees. There is a problem that I have faced with this blush is when I open the box, this is what happened. The blush was not in a good condition. You can see how I have received a broken blush. This is how it is looking in the box. So yes, you must have come to know about the blush intensity. So this is how messy this blush is looking right now because of the damaged product that I've received. And I'll show you. I can't actually show you how the blush because it is falling off, and this is how the blush looks from inside. The color is pretty, but I was really hoping to get a good undamaged piece of product so that it would be easy for my use. I'll just swatch this blush and show you the pigmentation. And yes, I think it is quite pigmented and it looks really nice. So while applying, I have to be careful because this is highly pigmented blush. So this is how my hand is looking right now because of this damaged product. And yes, that was all that I've received in this PR package from Sugarpop. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, do let me know you. I really hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, do let me know through your comments below. If you want me to make such video in future, then please give this video a big thumbs up so I'll come up with more PR packages that I get from the brand. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Over there I create reel videos in which I usually use these products. So yeah, and if you want to make a full face review, product review on these products which I have received from Sugarpop, do let me know in the comment section below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification just beside it so that you will get notified every time when I post a new video. So I'll see you next time in another video. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.